and welcome to TileTV. I'm your host, Michelle Russo. Our second story features NTCA Training Director Mark Highline helping installers with another useful tip in the segment, Question Mark.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Question Mark. Today I'm here with Phil Cozy. Phil is the Region 5 Director for the National Tile Contractors Association. Phil is also a project manager for NTCA 5-star contractor Stewart Tile in Macomb, Michigan. Hi, Phil. Great to have you. Phil and I often talk about a topic that is near and dear to our heart, and that topic is substrate prep, because that's where everything begins for a great tile installation. Phil, can you tell us a little bit about how you at Stewart Tile have success with substrate prep on your tile installations?
Yeah. Well, first of all, substrate prep and knowing the standards it's always been an ongoing battle between me and the flooring contractor. So the first thing I like to do is I like to get my 10-foot magnesium straight edge, and I like to check the floor. Sometimes I have to use a laser and kind of get a level line and measure down and map the whole floor out. But it's always been a battle, going back and forth with flooring contractors. But in the last few years, I've really educated myself to the standards, and I educate the general contractor or flooring contractor what I can accept and what is not acceptable for different size tiles. Typically, it needs to be an eighth in tolerance within 10 feet. And a project just recently, I had to get the documentation, show the contractor the standards that I would be able to install the tile over, and it went fairly smoothly. I got an approval, a change order to go ahead and fix the floors on a time and material basis, and everyone came out happy. It's a beautiful, wood grain ceramic tile that was installed. Owner was happy, architects happy, contractors happy, and I made money bringing the floor up to standards, which it should have been when I walked on the job.
Wow, that's excellent, Phil. And you are using then the standards, our tile industry standards, not only to make it flat and have a successful installation that'll look great, but you're getting paid for your work.
Absolutely, and it's faster to set tile on a completely flat surface. So you're setting the tile faster.
It's really the way to go, isn't it? So that is a way to set tile, a way to make money. What I would like you to do is follow Stewart Tile's and Phil Cozy's advice and use the industry standards, get paid for that substrate prep, bring it up to standards, make some money, and follow us next time on Question Mark. Thank you, Phil.
Thank you, Mark.
Thanks for watching this episode of Tile TV. We'll be back soon, so stay tuned.